Good morning, my dear students. Today's topic is leadership. Leadership definition. According to the idea of transformational leadership, an effective leader is a person who does the following. Here, according to transformation leadership, an effective leader is a person who does the following. He creates inspiring vision of future and he motivates and inspires the people to engage with the vision and he manages delivery of vision and he coaches and builds a team so that it is more effective and achieving the vision. And leadership brings together the skills needed to these things. We'll look at each element in more detail. Discover the qualities that will make you stand out from the crowd. The word leadership can bring to mind a variety of images. Coming to examples of leadership is a political leader pursuing a passionate personal cause, an explorer cutting a path through the jungle for the rest of his group to follow. Here, one of the leader is there. He is going into the forest. The route was not at all good. He is cutting a path and he is making a route to his followers. That is leadership qualities. And an executive developing her company strategy to beat the competition. Leaders help themselves and others to do the right things. They set the directions, but an inspiring vision and creating something new. Here, leaders will set their direction and build an inspiring vision and creating something new. Leadership is about mapping out where you need to go to win as a team or an organization. And leadership is a dynamic, exciting, and inspiring in action. At while leaders set the directions, they must also use management skills. Here, yet while leaders set the direction, they must also use management skills to guide their people to right destination in a smooth and efficient way. In this article, well focuses on process of leadership. In particular, well discuss the transformational leadership model first proposed by author James McGregor Burns and then developed by Bernard Bass. This model highlights a visionary thinking and bringing about the change instead of management process that are designed to maintain and steadily improve current performance. Here, this article was mainly focusing on processing of leadership and it is particularly discussed in transformational leadership. Firstly, this concept was proposed by James and later it was developed by Bernard Maas. This model mainly highlights on visionary thinking and bringing about the changes in the organization and designing, maintain, and steadily improve current performances. Significance of a leadership. Leadership is a process of influencing others. The mere use of authority by managers may not lead to results, but when managerial authority is enriched with good leadership, employees start cooperating. First quality, it improves motivation and morale of employees. A successful leader influences the behavior of all individuals in the organization. He or she enhances the levels of involvement of individual employees in their work. Here, there is an organization is containing 3 different level of employees, top level, middle level, down level. top level managers, middle level managers, down level managers. When a successful leader is influencing behavior of all the individual people, they will motivate and they will involve in their work. And the leader creates self-confidence in employees that sustains their enthusiasm and their involvement in their work, enhances the motivation and morale of employees, thus helps greatly in achievement of organizational goals by employees. Even in a situation of crisis, namely when an organization is facing a bad phase in terms of profitability due to market slowdown or some other reasons, a leader can sustain high level commitment and motivation from employees, which may ultimately help an organization to turn around. That is why good leaders are considered as turnaround agents in an organization. Coming to second point, it leads to the higher performance. Here, leaders always performs in a higher manner. Leaders motivate the group to strive for achieving the results, that is, achieving the organizational goals by increasing the levels of commitment and motivation. Here, always leadership will motivate the all among the employees in the organization, and they will perform a commitment and motivation. A good leader leads the employees to higher levels of performance. Higher performance leads to increased productivity, which results in increased profitability even in a competitive market. And coming to the third point, it is an aid to authority. Leadership is a process of influencing others. The mere use of authority by managers may not lead to results, but when managerial authority is enriched with good leadership, employees started cooperating. Here, leadership is a process of influencing others, and mere use of authority by managers may not lead to results, but when managerial authority is enriched with good leadership, employees start cooperating. Therefore, formal exercises of authority may not result in success. Authority, when combined with leadership, brings success to an organization. Here, every leader should have a proper authority. By authority only, he can motivate the employees, he can start the cooperating from the employees, and authority will result to the success. Authority, when is combined with leadership, brings success to an organization. Here, a leader is having very good quality. So if you give this much authority towards him, by usaging of that authority, he achieves very good manner goals. It determines organizational success in process of unification of group efforts to achieve organizational goals. Leadership enhances the organizational efficiency. Here in the organization, leadership will be increase the efficiency of organization, and it usually catches the organizational goals. Good managers alone cannot achieve this. So always managers need a very good team. And coming to the fifth point, it helps to respond to change. Organization today need to quick response to changes. A change in the technology, process, methods, and plans, including the strategical plans, always encounter the resistance. Here, a change in technology, process, and methods and plans, it always brings the encounter resistance, means encountering the risk from the people working in the organization. Leadership can play a great role in implementing changes in the organization by creating a conducting and good environment. And people follow leaders. They like to emulate the examples set by the leaders. This makes the change process smooth and successful. It includes values in organization. What are the values in the organization is quality and safety, empathy, teamwork, integrity, inclusion, and innovation. A value-based organization gets increased in commitment and loyalty from their employees, and good relationship being inspirational. It also successful percolates human values, means increases the human values, which shapes the attitude of employees towards work. Thank you, my dear students. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.